Velasco, and today I'm going to be creating a very colorful festival Coachella look. So I have never in my life gone to Coachella, but I wish to maybe one day go to it. So I'm going to be creating this look right here. And first I want to thank you guys all so much for supporting me in my journey. I really love you guys so much, and I love all the nice comments that you guys put down below. I read all of them, even though they aren't a lot. I do appreciate you guys being so nice to me. I have never actually gotten a hate comment yet, and I'm scared when that happens, but I'm going to try to get over it as most people do. But anyways, this is the look right here, and if you guys want to know how to get it, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to be taking this small fluffy pencil brush with the color purple right here. Then with this angled fluffy blending brush, I'm going to be blending that out. With a padding brush, I'm going to be taking now the next part is going to be very complicated for me because I've never actually done this. But I'm going to create kind of feather strokes right here. As you guys can see, it's kind of like drawing a leaf. So I'm going to draw a line and then little lines on the side of that line. You guys will see. In between the purple and pink, I am going to put that blue. For the inner corner, I'm going to be taking that yellow and pressing it on. Next, I'm going to take that green and put it on the lower lash line. So my favorite part is the highlight, and I'm going to be using these two colors, Imperial and High Tea, for my brow bone. For my inner corner, I'm going to be taking that same gold color, Imperial. For mascara, I'm going to be taking this one for Baba de Caracol. I got this in Mexico in the flea market. And then this one too, Hidratación Intensa. Last part. So now that I put highlighter literally all over my face, I'm going to go to the last step, which is the lips. So you guys, this is the finished look. I really enjoyed trying out a very colorful look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I want to thank you guys all so much. I really do appreciate all your nice comments. I send all my support and love to you guys too. So if you guys want to watch more of my videos, if you guys enjoyed it, then don't forget to subscribe down below, and the links to my social medias are down below in the description box. If you guys try this look out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, and have fun at Coachella. I know I'm not going, and I will hopefully see you guys next time. I'm gonna try the kissing and then blowing a heart out. That was gross.